Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the external drive. Connect it, unlock encryption, and formatted apps for modern macOS. Make sure it's dedicated to backups. Once connected, open System Settings, go to General, then Time Machine, and choose Select Disk. You'll see the drive name, select it, and click Use Disk. You're making a baseline snapshot now. Time Machine creates an initial full backup, which can take hours depending on size. Make sure the Mac stays awake until the first backup completes. Once done selecting the disk, configure options to match your workflow. Enable automatic backups for continuous hourly protection or choose manually and click Backup Now for control. Make sure to exclude bulky folders like virtual machines or media libraries to save space. Click Options to add exclusions. Verify backup progress from the Time Machine menu bar icon or in System Settings. Hovering shows current file counts and estimated time. If you want encryption, ensure it's to finish, test restores so you trust your backup. Enter Time Machine, navigate the timeline, and restore a small file. For a full system restore, boot into macOS Recovery with Command R and choose Restore from Time Machine Backup. Follow prompts to pick the snapshot. If the drive won't mount or Time Machine reports errors, try First Aid in Disk Utility, swap cable or port, and confirm drive format and encryption. If Time Machine still fails, disable and reselect the disk to force a new snapshot catalog rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.